Vande Mataram students. Now we are going to learn about constitution and how we can form constitution. This is our chapter number 2 of civics, that is constitutional design. In this chapter, we are going to learn about two countries' constitution. One, South Africa, and second, definitely our own country, that's India. So let's move ahead with this chapter. Before I move ahead in this chapter, all of you should be aware about what is constitution. Now ask yourself, what do you understand by a constitution? You are 9th standard students, so you are going to give me that constitution is nothing else but set of rules which are written in one book, and that book we call generally constitution. But constitution is something more than that. And let's start our learning. The democratic constitution in South Africa is our first topic in this chapter. Now all of you must have heard the name of Nelson Mandela, right? Do you know who was Nelson Mandela? The way Gandhiji to us, the same way Nelson Mandela is to South Africa. Now, in past, before 1994, the South African government was a government of apartheid system. And Nelson Mandela opposed this apartheid system of his own country, South Africa. In 1964, he was sent by white South African government to the prison, and he spent the next 28 years of his life in that prison. So what was this system? Apartheid. Now, apartheid is a name of a system of racial discrimination which was unique to South Africa. You need to understand in South Africa, many white Europeans settled there during 17th and 18th century. The way Britishers came to India, the same way many Europeans went to South Africa to do the business, to do the trade. This European occupied South Africa with arms and forces in the past. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa, and they eventually became the local rulers. And these white people, they introduced the system of apartheid. Okay, that means the system divides people on the basis of their skin color. Now you know that native people of South Africa are black in color, right? And but they were more in numbers. They're still more in numbers in South Africa. Now in South Africa, there were whites, there were rulers, there were Europeans and black. Apart from this, there were mixed races. These people were called color, and they were people who migrated to South Africa before 500 years ago from India. So the white rulers treated all non-white as inferiors. Non-white did not even have a voting rights. Now students, when you are watching this video, my screen, you can see there, and you need to underline the things which I did over here. Okay? So this apartheid system was oppressive for black. The blacks were forbidden from living in white areas. They could be in the white areas only if they had a work permit. train, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, school, college, library, cinema hall, theater, beaches, swimming pool, everything in South Africa were separated for whites and non-whites. This was also called a policy of segregation. The black could not even visit the church where white used to worship. This system was oppressive system, discriminative system. And this system is known as the system of apartheid. Now your notebook question 1. What was apartheid system? You need to write apartheid, the system of racial discrimination unique to the South Africa. Okay. And what else you need to write? It was a discrimination policy based on skin color. White ruler oppressed colored and black people under this system. Under apartheid, everything was separated for white and black. Black did not allow to be in the white area unless they had a permit. There were separate churches, school, hospital, buses, even toilets for the whites and black. Blacks in color did not have a voting rights, nor they were allowed to form any political organizations. Now here you can see Nelson Mandela, right? This Nelson Mandela fought for the white black rights and fought against the racial discrimination system. He was sent into the prison for 28 years. But yes, we will learn about after that how he became the first president of Republic Africa. We will also learn, we will also see pictures here of apartheid system, apartheid in South Africa. Okay, you can see your pictures, right? You can see here 2 bridges, over bridges, staircase here to pass the over bridges. This is for new European only. Those who are black, those who are colored, they have to go from this staircase and white from this. Okay, everything was different. The black area was nice. Caution, beware of natives. यहाँ पे मत आओ. Okay. Blacks were discriminated like anything. You must be aware about that Gandhiji's thing, which I told you during my learning class also. So let me tell about that thing again.